Iaho, Kadochikov, com deporte.
Drake Rose com 25 pontos no tie, Pau Gasol com 21 pontos da grande Itahiba Bulls na primeira vitória de semifinal da NBA East Conference, derrotando Cleveland Cavaliers com LeBron no 29-22. De duas pegas, no lugar de Aronson na Cleveland. E fim de semana tem competência de tiro internacional que conta com bastante participantes fora do exterior. Depois de bastante dia de preparação para o torneio, a organização de tiro também atrás de uma boa competência internacional. Usa 14 stages, que conta com regra internacional.
Tem mais ou menos 80, 90 tiradores, 8 países e também ainda hopi bom.
Então você tem hopi espaço diferente e aqui de hopi stage, não?
Nós temos 4 stages em total, 3 da classifier, que é internacional, na rank internacional, e também ainda bom, hopi nice.
Para organizar um evento, você quer tomar muito tempo, mas bastante mirele positivo, sim?
Sim, o tour aí não está cielo, mas aí que música tem mais grande, mais gente, mais positivo. E sim, o stage está bom trabalhar, é aí que está hopi challenging.
Bem, bastante duro, mas bastante satisfeito.
Sim, hopi satisfeito com o resultado. Bom tirador internacional, campeão de América, de Jamaica, echt gente na coisa sali de campeão mundial na sali hopi alto, ranking hopi alto, na tirando ao conosco.
Bij hoofdinstrument torneo. Bij hoppie bon.
Wel leuk hoor. Het is een leuke match, leuke stages en vriendelijke mensen. Echt leuk.
Heb je al jaren in het schieten?
Nee, ik schiet pas 1,5 jaar.
1,5 jaar. En
Ja.
hoe gaat het tot nu toe?
Het lukt wel. Kijk
Ja?
hoe het vandaag gaat en morgen.
Ja? Maar je bent tevreden dat hier Suriname op Aruba kan representeren, zou ik zeggen?
Ja, zeker.
Ja.
We zijn met een best wel grote groep gekomen. Meer dan 10 man. En kijken wat de resultaten worden.
En op Suriname is het schieten, is het groot daar, het schietband?
Ongeveer hetzelfde als hier. Ja.
Americano Shannon Smith, dat doet een clinica, nos tirador, een promeco e competencia.
Fantastic. Arrived on Monday last week, and we worked out here on the range Tuesday, Wednesday. 4 classes with about 15 or so students, and fantastic. I've had a great time, and hopefully I learned a lot.
And how you find the competition?
Oh, awesome. The stages are really well put together. It's running on time, and everybody's having a good time.
And how you find the shooters, all the shooters, not only from Aruba, but from the Nether Island?
Good, yeah. You know, a lot of these people I know, we've seen them all around the world shooting, and so a lot of them we bump into each other at big matches like this, but it's nice to see the local shooters coming out as well.
You're dedicated, you're a pro shooter? Or?
Yes, sir. Yep. I shoot full time, some instruction, and then competition as well.
And how do you find our shooters after you give them the clinic?
Good. Pretty typical. I saw a lot of different levels from novice to pretty good, and but everybody's got room to improve. So hopefully they'll put the work in, and next time I come, they'll be better.
Jamaica também tem seu representante de competência internacional.
I'm shooting open.
Open?
Yes.
And competition in the island, we have a lot of wind. Is it different than Jamaica? The stages
It's only a little bit windy, but the temperature is the same as Jamaica.
And how is it going for yourself in this competition?
So far, I shot 2 stages. Feel pretty good so far.
But
Yeah.
in Jamaica, the shooting is very popular.
Yes, we have like actively that shoot IPSC about 60 competitors. Yeah. Yeah.
Let's say same like a rower.
Yes.
Yeah. But this competition, you travel around the world to compete in the shooting?
Yes, I do. Right now, I'm living in the US, but I travel all over for tournaments.
Representing Jamaica.
Yes.
Yeah. And how you find the island here to shooting and enjoying the island itself? How-
It's really nice. One thing I must say, it's clean. Although it's a smaller island than Jamaica, it's pretty much the same, but I like it.